Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. So I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. Today I'm gonna show you this pattern. You can make baby blanket, cardigan, so many things with this pattern. It's scarf, it's beautiful pattern. I hope you will love. I will show you step by step. Both sides are same. So I'm gonna show you in different color, but let's see. So I hope you can see really well. First I'm gonna make loop 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, I want to show you something. So 1 2 3 4. This pattern multiple 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. I have 24. I'm gonna make small model. So make one whatever size you can, just whatever you want to make, just multiple for 4, then plus 1, yarn over 1 2 3 in the fourth. Okay, make double crochet, then chain 2, same space, make double crochet, make V stitch, yarn over, skip 1 2 3 in the fourth, make again V stitch, chain 2, same stitch, double crochet 1 2 3 in the fourth, chain 2, same stitch, 1 2 3 in fourth, chain 2, same stitch, double crochet 1 2 3 in the fourth. Sorry, went something wrong. Chain 2, one two three in the fourth. So here last V stitch, then okay, yarn over. I have one chain at the end. Now I'm gonna make the double crochet. You can see always chain 3, chain 3. So now I'm gonna make puff. So I'm gonna make 6 times puff. 1 2 3 4 5, then 6. Then complete, then make chain 2. When you make chain 2, then I'm gonna make this in the gap here, make single crochet, chain 2, again yarn over in the gap, again puff 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this wool isn't that much good because it's stuck. chain 2, again 1 2 3 4 5 6, chain 2, then single crochet in the gap, chain 2, again pop in there, 1 2 3 4 5 6, chain 2, single crochet in the gap, chain 2, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So sorry viewers, I didn't close my window, so it's lots of noise today. Chain 2, again pop in the V, 2 3 4 5 6. So nothing here, I'm gonna make anything in the where is the chain 3, I'm gonna make that double crochet at the end. Okay, you can see this, chain 3. So here right the puff, here top of the puff stitch, I'm gonna make a V stitch again, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch, again top of the next puff, chain 2, top of the next puff, chain 2, double crochet same place, chain 2, double crochet same place, same stitch, chain 2, same place, chain 2, double crochet same place, at the end again I'm gonna make in the chain 3, double crochet at the end. So you can see this is right side, these patterns right sides. So chain 3, again puff 1 2 3 4 5 6, chain 2, single crochet in the gap, chain 2, again puff in the gap in the V stitch, 2 3 4 5 6, in the gap, chain 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, Okay, stuck somewhere. Chain 2, stitch in the gap, single crochet, chain 2, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something wrong with this hook now. Is stuck now. Chain 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sorry, this last one. Yarn over, make in the chain 3, double crochet. Okay, chain 3 again. So you can't see this pattern. In the top of puff we stitch again, chain 2, double crochet same place, next top of a puff, I really like to make this pattern. It's really fun to make this pattern. Sorry, yes, my yarn is struggle now. Strangle other yarns. Sorry. Chain 2, the top of this next place, chain 2, again we stitch the right side, so viewers, I hope you understand now this pattern, how I made this. So I hope you will love this pattern. This is so beautiful pattern. It's enough to learn how I made this pattern. So whatever color you like, you can make. It's so pretty pattern. I hope you will love it. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for nice compliment. I did a sorry. I want to finish. When you finish, you should have this row. Okay. I will show you. Sorry, I should finish this. When your project and you should have at the end this row. Okay, maybe this window making me something there. Yeah. Okay. Stuck that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. Yeah, what's wrong with this wall? Because I'm still there, something stuck with my yarn, that's why. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 2. This wall. 4, 5, 6. Chain 2. Chain 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 2. Tie here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet, chain 2, last V, 4, 5, 6 at the end. So I want to show you finish with this row. When you finish, so I finish my this small model. I hope you will love this pattern. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. Have a good day.